Hey everyone, welcome back. Hello. Hope you enjoyed that break. And if you've just joined us, hello, welcome back. We are about to have our workshop with Gateway. Cool. I think everyone else, if you're here, drop a little message into the chat and say hi. Otherwise, Ekaterina, are you ready to go? Awesome.
I will share my presentation.
Yes, that would be awesome.
Can you see it now?
Yes. I love the background as well. It's very cute.
Yes, it's related to our mascot as well. This fish is our mascot.
Oh,
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Hi, everyone, and welcome to our workshop, How to Build a Gnosis Chain with Gateway. My name is Ekaterina, and I have more than 10 years experience in IT, mainly as a QA engineer in various domains, such as embedded systems and automotive. One of the excited projects I was working before, it was infotainment system for Daimler. After then, I started my journey in blockchain. It was in 2021. And I'm learning a lot about Web3 development and Web3 world. It's very excited to explore how blockchain solutions can make our world better, and in terms of democratization and decentralization of the power. In my free time, I have interest in brain-computer interface. And now I would like to talk about first Gateway, then products we have, services, and our partnerships, and actually how to use Gateway RPC in the app on Gnosis. Nowadays, we can see that many Web3 providers, they rely on the cloud providers as AWS, and it doesn't follow the real spirit of Web3 in terms of decentralization. We want to change it, and we use independent data centers, private data centers, mostly by Cloud Sigma. And we prioritize carbon neutral data centers like Hydra 66. It's powered by Hydra Energy. Gateway was established in 2021. We got team. It was people who gathered with technical knowledge in blockchain technology, as well as programming knowledge, and of course DevOps. It's essential to build infrastructure. And we work in remotely, and we know how to work remotely. And it also can reduce the carbon footprint. We were audited 2 years in a row by PwC. It's a little bit about our values. We always keep promises. We understand the needs of our clients and provide the best solutions. And we pay a lot of attention to privacy. We never store the data on cloud providers, and we never stored logs on cloud providers. We only stored it on the we never stored in public providers. We stored in our private data centers. It will never migrate to other location. Now about solutions we have. Our main product is a Gateway Access. Gateway Access provided access to different blockchains, so it's RPC for different blockchains. Now we're supporting Ethereum, Gnosis, Phantom, Near, ZK EVM, Polygon ZK EVM, Arbitrum, and more coming soon. We contributing to the Web3 community in a way that we providing public RPC, so you can start using directly our RPC without any registration. Of course, it will be limited in terms of RPS requests per seconds. But if you would like to have more capacity, then you can sign up for free RPC, and then for custom solutions, we provide multi-chain enterprise RPC. And as well, for multi-chain enterprise RPC, we can provide share nodes and dedicated nodes. What is the main advantages of our RPC? It scales seamlessly with you, depending on your needs. If your traffic increased, everything will work. We will never know that we will have that it will be more nodes or it will be more instances. It will just work for you. Then we have software that was in-house written, such as smart proxy, load balancer, and aggregator. As well, to gain the low latency, we send the request to more than one node, so they can compete and then provide answer. Then we can set up everything on your hardware, as well as we providing our infrastructure. And we have the best-in-class dedicated technical support, and according to the feedback from our clients, it is one of the best in the market. We care a lot about quality control and monitoring. We use CI/CD best practices to have your nodes up to date. As well, we have in-house written automated testing framework that always updated with new tests to have the best test coverage. And we provide industry standard SLA, so you can contact our developers from Monday to Friday from 8 to 17 Central European time. And as well, we can provide QA assistance to help with testing and integration between your project and our infrastructure. And as I mentioned before, everything we work a lot on automating all the work. So we have automated monitoring and incident report. Our developers receive immediately the notification if something was wrong, and they started working on issue. Here you can observe the high-level architecture. You can see that we have different proxy and aggregator per different chains, and we support HTTP and WebSockets as well. And yeah, like you can see that admin, we have admin component and network services, and we providing archival and non-archival nodes. In free trial, we are providing only non-archival nodes. If it's customized solution, then we can provide archival nodes as well. We always expand the list of chains we are supporting, and soon coming new chains coming soon. It's BNB, Polygon Supernex, Optimism, and Polygon POS. Another our product is Gateway Grow. It is validators. We have validators on Gnosis, Ethereum, and IXO. As well, we can set up it on-prem or provide our infrastructure. Everything is fully automated. It's non-custodial, so you maintain control of your private keys, and we can configure OFAC and non-OFAC compliant MEV boost, depending on your preferences. And we implementing support of DVT, namely SSV, so you don't need to have 32 ETH to start staking. Here is the high-level infrastructure example, as it in Geneva. We have two clusters, main clusters. You can see that we have a validator wallet, signature wallet, and consensus layer. We have now providing 2 clients, Lighthouse or Nimbus, and for execution layer, Aragon or Guess. We have been working with known companies in the space, such as Gnosis. We're running 75% of their traffic for public traffic, and we have been working with bounties, Ethereum Foundation, Polygon, Near, Yard Finance, and Phantom. And the last service is Gateway Jumpstart. Gateway Jumpstart, it's a service that helps new blockchains speed up their launch. So we're helping them with launch mainnet, testnet, or devnet, and providing hosting and RPC endpoints, as well as public facets. We distributing the protocol around the globe, so we can deploy it in any location you wish. And we work in our way with small teams and dedicated to your protocol and chains. We have been working with, as I mentioned, Gnosis. 1/3 of CHAD validators run on our infrastructure. We have core developers for Gnosis and as well CHAD and Mainnet bridge validators. And we're providing checkpoint sync. Now it's a time for a demo how actually you can use our infrastructure in your project. You can go to our website, getaway.fm, choose free public RPC. Here you can observe that we support in different chains. And we will choose Gnosis. Here it's public RPC endpoint. You can start using it directly in your project. It will be limited with 50 requests per second. It's always better to sign up to receive help via Discord and more requests per second. You can create project. Here you can see that we have different locations for free trial users. Europe, Sweden, this is powered by Hydra Energy. The different chains are in different locations. So now we will choose Europe, Zurich, and create your project, any name. You can add tag for your convenience, dev or prod, and choose Gnosis mainnet. You can add one more chain if it is supported in this region, and create. Here you can see in endpoints different blockchains. So we choose Gnosis, and you can see that we're supporting HTTPS and WebSockets. To have access, you need to create API key, add new key, and name it somehow. And it's important to copy. It will never be shown the private part of the key. You can save it in some password manager. Here you see example of post request. And now you can start using it in your app. I will show you for Web3 Python library. So you just can send it as a get parameter, API key as a get parameter, and use HTTP provider method. No. Our hello world code. Yeah, you can see that we received the latest block as it was expected. And then you can send as well it via headers, API key via headers, if it's more convenient for you. The same library, Web3. And some more examples for JavaScript, Web3 library. I just copied the same. Yeah. You can see that we have this pending block. And you can use different libraries like ethers for JavaScript and method.json RPC provider. As it works. And yes, I'm just showing that it works. And the last example is for Go at client package. Good, it's working. And the last one is for, as I mentioned, you can use WebSockets. It's the same. You can send it to the get parameter. And it will be the same API key for all the projects, even for different blockchains. And here you can see the code snippets. And just to repeat how to get started with Gateway, sign up for a Gateway FM account on our website, choose the region you wish to use, then create a new project and add the desired blockchains, generate an API key and be sure to copy it in your password manager, add our provider to your DApp using one of the available Web3 libraries and start building your DApp. You can scan this code and it will redirect you to our public RPC so you can start using it directly.
Sorry. I think you're not.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. I think you're not sharing your slides at the moment.
Oh, sorry. It was okay. I apologize.
No worries. It was only when you switched away from your code.
Yeah. It was about Gateway Challenge, the best application that use AI and our RPC with at least 2 chains. One of them should be Gnosis, will receive $1,000, and top 20 applications using our RPC will receive $100, and all the participants who use our RPC will be offered access to the Gnosis RPC with the rate limit 200 RPS for 1 year. Wishing all the participants good luck, and thank you for your time. Here are my contacts and socials. And if you have any questions, I think you can ask in the Discord. If I can answer, I will answer, or redirect it to someone who can answer these questions. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, if anyone wants to follow you, Ekaterina, I think I'll just put your Twitter in the chat. Awesome. Yeah, we've got a few questions that have come in. Thank you so much for your presentation as well. Okay, so the first one is from Katya, who asks, what is the minimum amount of ETH to become a validator with your service?
About validators, I need to ask, because now we are started implementing this SSV. So actually I need to verify it with the team who was working with validators part, because I was mostly working with RPC part product. So I can redirect this question to person who can answer and answer in Discord.
Awesome, that sounds perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, next question, also from Katya. Are there any pros compared to Infura or Alchemy? If you'd like to answer this.
We are providing, if you sign up, I think we're providing more traffic, so you can use us for free for the same traffic that you will pay for Infura. And then if you will use our multi-chain enterprise solution, then we have better reliability, I guess, and pricing model as well, so it will be cheaper.
Yeah, awesome. And definitely just give it a go, Katya, and see if you like it and see if it works for you. I think that's the easiest way to figure out.
Yeah, we're providing, so we're providing public goods, as I said, public RPC, so you can start using it directly without any even registration. So you just can try it.
Perfect.
Yes, it will be some limitations, but people try and use it, our public RPC, so many people who are using them.
Cool. Jelly's asked, are some blockchains more difficult to connect?
Connect in terms of deployment for us as a RPC provider, or connect as a developer?
I'm gonna assume, Jelly, please clarify in the chat if you can. But I was just saying, let's assume that this is from the developer point of view, or developer side of the question. Can you hear me?
Yeah. You mean in terms of the methods that are used for sorry,
I'm not entirely sure. Don't worry. Jelly, we'll come back to that question in a second. Here's another question. I think it's from regarding the challenge. What sort of AI usage are you looking for?
Any AI. So it should be any AI there. So use any of them.
Okay, so it's very broad.
Yes, it's very broad. Actually, it was our thought was that we don't want to be specific, to have more room for imagination and for libraries and tools you can use.
Yeah, for sure. That sounds really good. Jenny asks, what are the new chains that you're going to add? And I was saying that I think you had slides on that, right?
Yes, it will be BNB, Polygon, POS, Polygon Supernets, as well as Optimism coming soon. We launched I think yesterday Arbiter 1 already. So we constantly launching more and more chains because we clients would like to have more chains. Yeah, of course.
Cool. No, that sounds really good. Yeah. Alex M asks, do you have client or customer support? Some RPCs have it very poor, and they can't see it on your website.
We have support in Discord. It's closed Discord, but if you sign up for free, so you can receive the support via Discord. And you can always ask the question. You can see the chat box in our website. If you can write even technical questions there, so we will redirect it to technical team.
Yeah, that sounds perfect. Just yeah, a way to get in touch with you guys. And of course, I think for this hackathon, the hackathon Discord is open, and obviously definitely get in touch with the Gateway team through their own Discord as well.
Yeah, we so if you have any questions, just write in Discord. I saw that there is like channel technical questions, right, in Discord. So I think you can write there.
Exactly.
I will redirect or answer myself. So thank you.
Cool. Thank you so much. Do you have any merch, by the way? Yevgenia is asking about hoodies. I think everyone is in awe of like how cute and cool the backgrounds looked in your slides and all of the kind of graphics.
Yeah, that's thank you. Yeah, do you like the fish? Fish is our mascot. Yeah,
it's really cute. Yeah, so maybe Yevgenia, stay tuned. Maybe that might happen in the near future. I think they really want hoodies. Well, yeah, I think stay in contact in Twitter, maybe. I think I have posted your Twitter.
Follow me on Twitter, LinkedIn. Yeah, so
yes, that's perfect. Here's
if you have any questions, you can ask
Twitter again.
Yeah,
there we go. Perfect. Okay, so thank you so much for that presentation. That was really awesome. And yeah, a great way to end, well, for me at least, end my Tuesday. Cool. So
so start building on our infrastructure, so you can see it how it's in practice.
Yes,
and because
exactly.
I know that when clients start using our infrastructure, they will always receive good feedback about our quality and about the support. So,
yeah, that sounds fantastic. Yeah,
and
get
it's
building,
for
guys.
free. I mean, now it's for free. So start using it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Start using it now. Well,
and
you have all of this awesome access. Exactly.
Yeah.
Build something awesome, guys. All right, so I guess I'll end this here now and wrap it up. Thank you all so much for coming. Thank you so much, Ekaterina, for coming and speaking today. Everyone else, the next workshop is tomorrow, so stay tuned. It's not at the same time, so just watch out for announcements then. And oh, actually, I think it is at the same time. Check the announcements, check the Discord, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you soon then. All right, bye everyone.
Yeah, good luck everyone.